Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech HD. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make passport size picture in Microsoft Word. So let's start the video. So first of all, we need to open Microsoft Word. Now from here, you need to open a blank page. Now from here, click insert. Now click picture. Now from here, you have to go to our download. I kept a pic in download. Now upload the pic here. Now click on crop. Now select aspect ratio. From here, you have to select 2:3. Now press enter. Now hold a corner of the pic and make it short. Now click on table. You can select any type, but I will select on 2:4 table here. Now select the photo here and type Ctrl X. Now select on the table, type Ctrl V. So as you can see, the passport size photo has made with Word. So this is how you can make passport size photo with the Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.